Presenting Dell Alienware M18 R1 Gaming Laptop. This comes with Windows 11 Home OS and Office HNS 2021. Built with Intel i9-13900HX 13th generation processor with 36 MB cache and 24 cores. It has 32 GB DDR5 RAM with 4800 MHz and 1 TB SSD. It comes with NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4080 12GB GDDR6 graphics. Designed with 18.0 inches QHD Plus display, CompfortView Plus, NVIDIA GSYNC Plus DDS, 100% DCI-P3, FHDIR camera, 165Hz refresh rate and 3 ms response time. Featured with Alienware CherryMX backlit keyboard with per key AlienFX. The ports include RJ45, global headset jack, Type A USB 3.2 Gen 1 port with power share, Type C USB 3.2 Gen 1 port, power DC in port and Type C power. The box includes laptop, battery, AC adapter, user guide and manuals.